Alright, so see how the hole is off there, and on this side hole's off a little bit, so we're going to put this on and just do it at an angle and just screw the screw in at an angle to get that plastic to bite. So we're going to do another one, and this one's off by quite a bit again on this side. But the whole goal is just to make sure that you see, take a look at that. You can do it at an angle, but you just need that screw to find some plastic, and you have to push hard with the screwdriver as you're screwing. See how much of an angle that's going in? And then it's just finding that plastic. So there, this one has quite a bit of plastic there. Okay, and last one. Once again, this one's off a little bit too on both sides, but the key is just to put your screwdriver in and just do it at an angle to where it finds some plastic. It can even be that heavy of an angle right there. The screw will then just straighten itself back out. Kind of pops up. You just push it down into place.